Hey guys, welcome to the Tornado Siren Museum. And yeah, I'll just be walking around showing the sirens. And just, yeah, enjoy. It's an old classic. ATS is a custom siren that I started. 40V2T, studying. MK1, very rare. Like the American flag I did. This is the 16 port Century 5V. You can see those are ports in there. And a Federal Signal Model 5T. Modulator A32B, or also known as the Modulator 2. This was made in 2013. It's still being made. The T128, 1990s. And it's still being made. Equinox 2009. It's still made. Screamer Series, 1980s to 1991. The T135 AC/DC, 1990s, still made, just like the T128. Platinum CS8, they're British sirens. I just did a Girl Scout version of it. Klaxon CS8, 1940s to the 1970s. Now, on to the next Girl siren. So here's the ACA P10. P10s are freaking single tone. 1970s to the 1990s. Mobile Direct, though. 1950s to the 1970s. Some of them are still around, except for the ones on the left. They're gone. Here's the Federal Code Model 20, 1930s to 1970s. This is old school. The Howler, 1970s to the 1990s. One of them is still active, and that's where I live. It's in Minnesota. Federal Signal Model 2. 1920s, actually. And guess what? It's still being made. Model 2T, 1920s to 1980s. I don't know why. Maybe because they were so quiet. The 20V2T Square Horn. 1980s to 2000. CLM Rotating Siren. 1960s to the 1970s. ACA AL 5000, 1970s to 1980s. 10V1T, 1980s still made. Prototype Thunderbolt, 1950s to 1959. Only made for 9 years, sadly. Dang. Oh, the 45 Thunderbolt, 1950s to 1970s. 20 years of production in this. STL-10, 1950s to 1980s. STLs used to be fire sirens, though, but now they're categorized as tornado sirens. STH-10, 1950s to the 1990s, but they were reintroduced to 2006. Soundmaster 125, 1970s and 1980s. Federal Code Model 10, this is a custom siren, it's a baby version of Federal Code Model 20. 2017, still made. Alerter, 1970s to 1989. And here's one that I made. Well, this has Mr. Clue's Cluey-ass parts. Credit to him, he makes awesome sirens. The solenoid box, I can't remember who I got that from. Cyclone 120, 1970s to the 1990s. Federal 500 DHTT, 1950s to the 1970s. Federal Signal 322 short frame. 1980s to 2012. That's when I was alive when they stopped. Then, last in this row, HOR Super Sirens, 1940s to 1970s. Okay, so now, if I can fly over here, we're gonna get on with the custom sirens I started. So this is a single tone 4000 2017 is still made today. ATS2T19 2017 still made. UAD P110 2017 still made. ATS Bolt 4000T 45 port 2017 still made. UAD IFP 21,000 2017 it's still made. UAD IFP 400 2015 still being made. It looks like some of them look weird. UAD IFP 5000 2016 still made. Also made a single tone. UAD IFP 9000 2017 still made. I let him use my single tone Banshee, and he used it Banshee 1 out of 10, but it's a 1012 port. Alright, so UAD P125 2017 still made today. UAD EL 300 series 2016 still made. UAD EL 6000 2016 still made. UAD EL 33,000 2017 still made. UAD CD 1915 still 2017 and it's still made. UAD TS 165 sorry guys 2017 it's still being made. So that's all the sirens in the Tornado Siren Museum. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.